Hey, this is Rubber Cheese. I'm just going to do a quick video review and demo of the BLACK+DECKER 20V lithium bare jigsaw. So this is a bare tool. It does not come with a battery. What it comes with is the unit itself and also a single blade. Putting the blade in is pretty straightforward. Just pull up the tab, put it in, and let go, and you're put together. There's a lock button here, so you can prevent the trigger from being pressed. If you unlock it, you don't need to press any interlock. The trigger will just work. On the back here is where you put your battery. I'm just going to grab my battery that I've already got from my drill and just slide it into place. And there we have it. The unit itself is a little bit bigger than it looks. It's not a big deal, but I was a little bit surprised. I'm just going to show the size of my compact drill beside it. The drill is really dwarfed by this jigsaw. Now, no big deal, but wanted to point it out. On the side of it is a little hex tool that can be used for rotating this. So just use at the bottom here. Just loosen her off. And then you can rotate it as you see fit. There are some guides to get you for it to put itself into certain positions. Give you a better idea how to do it. And this right here is 90 degrees, so I'm just going to set it back and tighten it up. And then replace the tool. I'm going to do a quick demo in a moment. Alright, so just as a demo, I'm just going to do a straight cut. I know that's not really what a jigsaw is used for, but I need to cut this off, and the 14.4 batteries that I need to power my circular saw are totally dead, so this is the only way that I have to cut this. The site's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. I'll include a photo of that. So it's a straight cut, easy to use. Did a good job.
Just a quick video to show you how to replace the blade on the cordless BLACK+DECKER jigsaw. Okay, real easy here. Just make sure that your battery is off. I like to keep it off just in case you're not pushing any buttons you shouldn't be. And you're just going to go ahead, and there's this little orange lever right here. Okay, take the blade, make sure it's facing toward or away from the jigsaw. And just you're going to place it in there. See, just like that. And then release it. Okay, so place it in and release. That's it. Take it out. Just as simple.